Hi, I got this little helicopter, radio controlled, a V319, cost $20. It's got a remote controller, a helicopter and a charger. It's taken me a bit of time to find out how it really works and how to control it and keep it up in the air without crashing into things. And the beauty about this little helicopter is it's got a water pistol in it, so I could take it into the office and squirt all the people I don't like. Anyway, we'll just check it out here and see how it goes. As you can see, stuck in a carpet, it takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it up and going, as I said, it does take a little bit of practice, but and it's kind of indestructible, as you can see. We'll give it another shot here.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, the point is, it's a lot of fun. You really should do it outside, but for $20, why not go for it? Radio controlled helicopter. Bye for now.